When you think of how to escalate conflict, do you start with what you're worried about or what you're afraid of? And the answer is no, I don't. Now, I might think of what my protagonist is afraid of or worried about, but usually I think about the stakes. What is the risk? What are the consequences of the protagonist failing? What does my protagonist long for, yearn for? And then how can I make it harder for them to achieve that? That's the stakes. And once I have a clear understanding of the stakes, then I can begin to focus on how to bring in various kinds of obstacles, some physical, some emotional, some mental, some spiritual, and some a conglomeration of all or several of those parts. That's how I really like the idea of escalating conflict based on the situation and the person, so that it's not done in a vacuum. It's done based on actual circumstances that are relevant to whatever the story is I'm telling. What are the stakes? What is the overarching potential consequences of failure? And how can I use that to layer in the various elements that are, in fact, things that might worry them or that they might be fearful of, but it also might be things that never entered their mind. They're blindsided. How about you? How do you approach the challenge of escalating conflict? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I read all the comments. And if this video had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.